That's loud.
Let's see if we can make one of those PVC air horns. First, you need about a 2.5 foot piece of 3/4 inch PVC and then a cutoff piece of about an inch. You need some electrical tape and a balloon. You're going to take this smaller piece of 3/4 inch PVC and stretch this balloon out and stuff that in there. Not too far. Try to line this up so it looks like this. Then you take your bigger piece of 3/4 inch and stretch that balloon around the outside of it. So then you're left with just a little gap here. Take your tape and wrap it around that seam where the balloon hits the PVC. Then you fold this over just like that. And then you tape this all together. Doesn't have to be electrical tape. You can use whatever tape you got lying around. Whatever's going to hold it together. Then you just made this. It's probably going to annoy the hell out of you, but your kids are going to love it.